Hello, welcome back to BCBR. Today we're going to try something that's probably crazy. This is probably a harebrained idea, but it's something that might be good, but there's probably a better chance that it won't be, but we're going to try it anyway. What we're going to do is I picked up a Blue Moon Belgian style wheat ale brewed with Valencia orange peel and coriander. We're going to drink some of it the way it is out of a cup, and then I'm going to try an experiment. I was curious if I could make it taste a little bit like a stout. I got two different ways to do it. I'm going to try it with Nesquik powder and with Hershey syrup. A little bit of experimenting. First off, we're going to do it straight up. It's 5.4% ABV, 9 IBUs according to Untappd. Blue Moon Brewing Company, Golden, Colorado, but it's really owned by Molson Coors Miller, the big conglomeration. It gets a 3.5 on Untappd with 579,000 reviews. That's quite a few reviews. So let's get her open. I think this is a special can or a special edition can because it's got a baseball guy on there. And it says brewed by baseball, established 1995. And this was canned on January 29th, 24. So here we go. Let's get some of it out of the can into one of these cups. I got 3 cups. They've been used and washed out several times, but I think they're fine. I brought them home from Warwick Farms Brewery. Okay. Keep doing that. All right. It does have an orange color to it. The head has a nice flavor. Coriander, a little bit of orange. Now while that head's going down, I'm gonna pour some into these cups. I'm gonna tilt the cup a little more. That first pour was what's been referred to as a knobhead pour. Usually I like a big head anyway. Marcel makes fun of me when I say that. Here we go. All right, it doesn't have to be exact. So, these 2 cups, one of them I'm going to put chocolate powder into. I guess we'll start with just 1 spoonful. It's not a big spoon. Stir it in. Holy moly. Wow. Did you see that? That swelled right up. Probably from my stirring. I stirred it too hard. I got to stir it a lot lighter. That was crazy. I thought it was like one of those science experiments gone wrong. It's just going to go all over. But I think, I wasn't thinking. I started stirring it like I would stir it if I poured the chocolate powder in the milk. That is crazy. Look at that head on that. Unreal. All right. That was nearly a disaster. That's funny. All right, here we go. Put a good squirt in here of chocolate syrup. It's reacting the same way. Look, I haven't even started to stir it. Wow. It's like a weird science here. Look at that. I don't know if this is going to taste good. It doesn't look like the chocolate syrup is breaking down very well. This is going to be really interesting. All right. Yeah, that wasn't from me stirring. That was a reaction. Something about the sweet chocolate sauce going into the beer. Let's go back to the regular. It's a nice tasting brew, actually. I don't go for wheat beers in a big way, but this one actually has a nice flavor to it. It's refreshing. You get the orange and the coriander, but not overpowering. It's not bitter. It's a little bit sweet. And it has a somewhere between low and medium mouthfeel. Pretty good. Now, this is the one that got the powder. We're going to do that one next. The one I nearly exploded all over the place here. All right. It doesn't look very good. It looks like muddy water. Here we go. Cheers. Interesting. I'm still picking up the orange a little bit. And the chocolate, it's just kind of weird. Let me try the one with the chocolate syrup. Maybe that's a little bit better. Here we go. Cheers again. It's not awful, but it's not great either. Let me try putting a little more powder in the first one there. We don't have an eruption on the second time around. Nah, I can't say I recommend it. It's weird. Now I know why I never saw a video of anyone doing this. It's just not good. But I had to try it. Let me go back to this one. It's not like a stout at all, or even a porter. It's just a bad combination. Oh well, I don't think I'm going to finish them. It almost feels like it'll give me an upset tummy. And I don't need that. Did I just say tummy? Really? Upset stomach. And later on, other problems, you know, in the other hemisphere, possibly. So I'm not going to finish that. Take it for what it is. It was an experiment. This was inspired by Drew from Beer for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks. Always trying something different. And this one just didn't work out that well, but it was interesting and it was fun. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.